we're gonna go and feed my birds. We are, with my new outfit. Let's go. Got to dodge everything. Right. Oh, we have an empty shell. We do. So we need bowls. Let's shake that up a little bit just to get some bits off of it because it's drying out, that one is. So we need some bowls, a shell and some mealworms because I think everything else looks alright. Still feels weird not having my other one up, you know, to crumble things on and everything. Yeah. They know, they're telling you to follow me on Twitter, look, at Adelesexyuk. They are. Uh-oh. And that's my last bag of bowls. It's the squirrels. They go nuts to my bowls. It's like an alarm system. That one's letting everybody know what I'm doing. I've probably got 2 more goes at my mealworms. Yeah, they stink, don't they? Try lifting the lid up on this thing when it's been hot. It doesn't smell very nice. The main reason I put only these kind of shells out is because I've got my red one out. If I didn't have a red block out, I might put a red shell out. Right. So I'm definitely running low. That was my last shell. So I'm running low on shells, I'm running low on mealworms, and I'm running low on bowls. I think I've got enough of everything else for now. Yeah. So yes, there we go. So let's have a look here. So we've got enough seeds in there. They are going crazy for these seeds though. So I'm putting the right seeds in there now. Got a shell, block. The block, if it's still like that in a couple of days, I'll change that. New bowls, peanuts are okay, and some mealworms. Yes. So there we go, my lovelies. My bird table all filled up in my new outfit. Yes. Thank you for watching. It's very comfortable. It is. Don't forget to like the video for me, subscribe to my beautiful channels, and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and Adelesexyuk at Adelesexyuk, and my lovely Patreon also at Adelesexyuk. The link for my Patreon is in the box below. Click on that and you'll zoom straight on over. And I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.